I was in the Marine Corps, and that's rough on your body. It got to where it was bone on bone, and so it was just anytime I tried to walk or stand, it would hurt. My surgery started at a different hospital. After the first surgery, I developed a staph infection in that hip. It just kind of led to 4 surgeries. Of course, I couldn't put any weight on it or whatsoever, hence the reason why we decided to do the swing bed.
Swing bed program is almost a link between your hospital stay and your home.
From Tim all the way down to his nurses, to the physical therapist and the occupational therapist. I mean, they were just so encouraging, man. It's very impressed with the staff.
Our community is very blessed with the hospital we have. We've got some great people. We've got great equipment. But the biggest thing I think our hospital has is a lot of heart.
If you need that type of care, give these guys a holler.
I'm glad to see them doing so well. It really is the reason I got into medicine.